Newton City Council approved life science buildings to be built on Grove Street. Adam Bass has the details.
And the motion carries 24-0.
Very good. Thank you.
The Grove Street Life Science Project has been given the green light, as the Newton City Council unanimously approved the plan Monday night. The proposal by Alexandria Properties would convert a part of the Riverside Center into a life science space, similar to another proposed building near Riverside Station.
The 60-day is essentially an opportunity to get familiar with the petition before it comes forward and present an opportunity to have some discussion. This would address questions on items like height, which is very sensitive before they actually file.
At first, the idea was subject to scrutiny, as members of the environmental group, Green Newton, asked City Council to reject this petition. The reason being that the building would require energy for heat pumps and cooling systems, which would increase carbon emissions. Despite the initial worries, both Green Newton and Alexandria Properties were able to find a compromise and allow the plan to go forward under 48 conditions, including a study for green energy powering the building instead of fossil fuels.
I just want to add that I think Councilor Markowitz's suggestion that this coming term, no further delay, we start putting these kinds of measures in as requirements for developers is a great idea. It's environmentally sound, number one, but two, as Councilor Markowitz said, I think this is very important for us to remember, it makes the playing field level, because if you're a developer, just like if you're a tax planner trying to figure out the tax code and tax implications, what you always want is predictability. You just want to know what the rules are. And if the rules are you've got to put a heat pump in or something equivalent, then that factors into all your decision making. And I actually add that I think we've been going about it somewhat wrong with our developers. We're trying to encourage them to do more. We're requesting them to do more. We're offering more carrots if they do more. And I think we need to have a mind shift on the council, which is if we want certain environmental goals, then we require them.
Life sciences include the study of living organisms and their organization, such as anthropology and biology. Newton has been relying on life sciences to bring in more developers as well as increase its tax revenue. And with the approval of the Grove Street project, the Garden City is continuing to grow into a hub of research.
All those in favor say aye.
Aye.
Aye. Thank you, everyone.
Adam Bass, Newton News, Newton Center.